Hi guys, I'm Nathanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing the Black Opal Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation. And before we get into the review process, well, I'm going to review it. I want to talk about how I did my research to find out what is my correct shade and where to buy it without actually what's my correct shade without actually getting a sample of it, because I know you definitely cannot get a sample of it at the drugstore or the pharmacy, because you can buy it. I bought it at Discam, but you can buy it at Clicks, Discam, Fushini Beauty online. And so what I did was, I've been eyeing this foundation. I know that Cynthia Ngwebu spoke about it as well on her channel. I'll probably put it down below the video. And I was really interested because I've never tried a stick foundation, so I wanted to know what it's like, how does it actually look on your skin, because I've always just done a liquid foundation or a mousse foundation, and I've never actually tried it, as I said before. So I was like, let me watch as much videos as possible. So I went on YouTube, and obviously I googled Black Opal stick foundation, and I checked the girls that are actually reviewing the actual product, and I saw what their skin tone looks like and how my skin tone compares to theirs. And I thought to myself, I'm definitely gonna have to look at the shade range. And the shade range, there is about 16 shades in the range, but when I went to actual Discama, I think I only saw 6 or 7. So I don't think the whole range is in South Africa, but I do know that some of it is. And also they also have an SPF of 15 in this foundation. It's pretty awesome. So I tried it out yesterday because I thought I'm gonna go out, because I went out to a function with my friend, and it was in the worst place of the world. Okay, I'm kidding, shame, that's actually rude. I actually tasted it in very dread and hot weather, so definitely was the best test to find out if the foundation actually does last through hot ass weather. So I went yesterday to Pretoria, well actually Centurion, for a function with my friend, and I wore the foundation the whole day. I applied it from about, I think I applied it at 11, and I only was supposed to be at the venue, well, at the event at 12:30, almost 1 o'clock. And I was there until about 3-ish, and I took powder with me because I was like, I know that I'm probably going to be sweaty because it's hot. And after that, I actually didn't really find the need to do that, to like powder my face, because I just took translucent powder with. It was absolutely fine. And then after that, I actually had a busy day. So after that, I went to a braai. So I finished off there in Centurion around 4-ish. Then I rushed all the way back home, well, to home area. So I went to a braai with friends, and that was from 5 o'clock. From 5 o'clock until I got home at 11 last night. And my makeup was perfect throughout the whole day. Obviously, when I got to my friend's house, I changed my clothes and I powdered my face. But other than that, from 11 o'clock when I applied it onto my skin until about 5-ish, I did not powder my face at all, and it was really good. And I think this is like low-key my fave. I'm wearing it right now, so it's not exactly my skin tone, but it's the closest to my skin tone. Yeah, my skin tone, closest to my skin tone. So I had to, obviously I put on concealer, so that also kind of makes it work to a way in which it should work for me, which is what I have right now. And I really do like this foundation. So this foundation retails for, I will put it on the screen, but I think it retails for about 260 something. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself. But I really think this is like low-key my favorite foundation right now. Like, my skin looks like my skin. It doesn't look like caked on or anything. It just looks like my skin, but better. I don't know. I'm sorry. If I look this way, I'm looking at the mirror, so I'm just looking at myself looking bomb. No, but really, I am so impressed by this foundation, and I am probably gonna try more of their range now that I know what kind of how their quality is. I'll probably try out more, and please let me know if you do try out this foundation. Please, I actually encourage you to try out this foundation, as it is bomb. Sorry, it's just I'm being a bit oils. And I have nothing else to say about this foundation. I'm kidding. I really do like this foundation, and I really do love just the plainness of the packaging. Look at the packaging. The packaging, and I did notice that they actually rebranded, because I know this was not how it looked before. So definitely I like it. It's very simplistic. In front it says true color, and then in the back it says for every shade of beauty. And then it just says the skin perfecting stick foundation with the broad spectrum of SPF 50 to say. So this is the end of the review. If you do buy this product, if you do buy the stick foundation, please let me know your reviews or your opinions on it. Please also, if you have tried the foundation, please let me know what your review is about it. And I have nothing else to say, but please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, yes. Like this video and comment down below, and I will see you next time.